Hey guys, welcome back. This is my third layout that I'll be doing for May 2022 for Not Just for Boys Kit Club. And this page kit by Meredith Twilling, it is called Sunshine on My Mind. And I've been sitting here at my desk staring at it because I have all these different directions I can go to with it. I mean, this paper right here, it is so unbelievably stunning that it's one of these things, I know I can't use it whole because I want to spread it out over layouts. So, here's my photo. Let's start with this. Here's myself. This is my hubs. We were on the pier in St. Petersburg, Florida, and we're doing a little selfie action. So, I can do tropical. So I'm thinking this gorgeous piece here is 49 in Market, Vintage Artistry Beached in Palm. I'm thinking that works because, you know, Florida, there's palm trees everywhere. Picking up the green too. That's actually a palm tree right there. You just can't see it that well, but I know it's there. Then I was thinking, oh, but wait. Where's the piece? Where's the piece? This is this nice, bright, bright tone. What if I go ahead and back my layout in this? That's pretty. Okay, I'm liking that. So I have that idea. Then I thought, we have these simple stories, gorgeous little tropical bits. What if I go ahead and create like a little scene on the bottom and tuck cameras in? That's the direction I am going. I've got this cut file that reads sunshine. I want to ink that in. See, I have ideas. I just got to figure it out. These little leafy bits are from the a la carte section in the store. So I will grab some Distress Oxides to color them up. Yes. I've got this sequin mix, which is a la carte too, which is why I put my fancy little a la so I can remember. I will add those on in lieu of enamel dots, but wait, there's more. This kit also has Alphas by P13 in this great limey green, which will be great for this for a little tone on tone. And we have stickers that are from P13 Sunshine, and there's all these, like, look at this. Like, these words in here are perfect for my trip. So we have Summer in the City. I was in St. Pete. We could go that way. Traveler. We did that. Globetrotter. We actually went on a plane. Travel is never a matter of money, but of courage. Well, I think it takes both, but never you mind. Getaway works. Summertime. Yeah, this is in May. So, weekend adventures. We went for 5 days. It was quite nice. Best food ever. I have a bunch of stuff for that. Oh my gosh, the seafood I was taking down. Anywho, we are here. So there's lots and lots of good words on this page for like 50 different layouts. So I have lots of stuff to use. So I need a plan. My plan is, oh gosh, I just had stickers go flying. My plan is to trim up my photo, of course. I want to gut this piece so I can use this for, you know, because I only want to use it for a photo mat, right? So I'm going to go ahead and gut that. I have to decide, do I want to distress? Do I want to sew? Like, this paper, like 49 Market, is no joke. It is so thick. By the way, the other side of this is super cool. It has all of these sunny, beach, whatever, you know, like summery vacation words on it. I love this. But alas, this is working more for my photo. There you go. So I have branding strips to cut off. I have a paper to gut. I know that much. Got to decide if I'm going to do anything to the edge. I have to do the thinking. The thinking is hard. Now, 9 times out of 10, but just not this time. Oh, guys, sorry. I would use the wood grain first because wood grain is my very favoritist. And it's hard not to. But I don't think I'm going to start with that just because I'm looking for this bright. And the pier we were on was actually made of cement. If it was like a boardwalk, I would totally go for that. Okay, so I'm going to do those couple of chores. Wherever my photo went, I'm going to trim that, gut this, start creating a scene, all that kind of stuff, and I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so update. I did go ahead and matte my background, great. Picked out some cameras that I know I'm going to detail cut out. Aren't they beautiful? So beautiful. Okay, I have those. I picked out some of the floral bits. Now, I love these right here. But I looked in my camera roll of little things that we did, and I took pictures of these when I was in Florida. So I have to save those for that. Now, when I say save, I don't save product for like the perfect picture generally, but I'm going to be scrapping it probably this week. So, you know, I don't save things for the far off future saying one day I'll have this layout, yada, yada, yada. I just go ahead and use things. But in this case, exact picture of those little plants, that's going to work out. Okay. The next thing I want to do is use these kind of colors to color in my leaves as well as my sunshine word with some Distress Oxides. Now, I need a color right between these to get this color, not a big deal. And then a yellowy tone to do this color. So I think mustard seed will work for that. My plan is with this cardstock cut is to do the top part of it in yellow and the bottom more of a coral. And you know, pretty nifty. So, oh, and then the leafy bits, I thought I would do a lime green, a yellow, and a coral. Or, you know, however that works. Oh, I do need my little pokey tool to get the mask off when I go ahead and do that. So I'm going to work on inking those guys up. I then will get this popped up on a little bit of dimensional adhesive because I want a tiny bit of shadow. I got to calm down. Got to detail cut out my cameras and matte my photo roughly 3 million times. Oh, and I decided to not distress my edges. And so I'll have nice clean edges this time. Okay, I have lots and lots of work. I'll come back when I have that stuff done. So I wanted to give you a quick update. I did my kind of ombre beginning of my title, and my yellow was a lot stronger than the yellow that was on both my flowers and on these pieces that I've detail cut out. So what I did is I just came in with the same yellow ink, and wherever there is a little bit of yellow, that won't get it too messed up, I'm going in just to punch up that yellow so that the tones are matching ever so nicely. So all of a sudden it becomes a little bit brighter and makes it look a little bit more cohesive. And I just have a little Q-tip that I'm doing that with. Okay, want to show you that. And then I decided that the orientation will be kind of like this. Now I'm going to pop all of my cameras up on some dimensional adhesive. And then over here, I'm going to have another little cluster created. I'm just starting to get the placement. Oh, and then, oh, but wait, I have these cute little bits came out so pretty, my little leafy bits. So I have my little leafy bits as well that I will be tucking in. Let's see. Oh, I matted my photo in the same mat that you see here. And then I also matted it in both sides of this Echo Park piece of paper that came with the kit. It is called Pink/Yellow from My Favorite Easter. So I thought I'd give you those updates. Now remember, I still have tons of gorgeous cameras that I will use forevermore. And I still also want to work in finishing the title with these green letters, and I have all of these cute wordy bits. So guys, I have lots to still play with and work out, but I'm going to get these pieces tacked down so that I know where to tuck the rest. But I'm super digging this design right now. I think it's just because I love the tropical vibe. So I will keep working and I'll be back in a jiffy. So at this point, I have everything stuck down. I have my title, I have Sunshine, St. Pete Pier. My tea is not exactly where I would like it. Not that I think it matters all that much, but let's try to shimmy that up a little bit. There we go. Just a little tiny bit. Probably just delays me doing something else when I'm looking at that. Now, I would have liked to have had my title closer together right here, but unfortunately, I wanted it nestled as well. So perfectly fine, tone on tone green is working. Now, what I also have is I have a bunch of these really pretty little pink and yellow flowers that I have left, and I was thinking that would be a good idea right around in here to nestle up a few of them. make it look like they're supposed to be here. And who knows if wordy bits will get there or not. I don't know. Then for the rest, let's see. We can go ahead and just pop them on a couple of these. Oh, I hate covering anything. A couple of the cameras, great. Now the next thing I have to do is decide where I might want some wordy bits. That'll be easy enough, and put a bunch of sequins. So let me see. Let me clean up a little bit over here, make sure there's nothing else in this kit I want to add on. Now, I still have the gorgeous wood grain. I still have a bunch of the cameras. I've got some a la carte stuff, so I have plenty to do a whole nother layout, which I will be doing soon. Let me see over here. I want to look at this stamp set I got from the a la carte section. And I am thinking of doing some tone-on-tone stamping with these green leaves before I get my sequins and stuff on, just around these camera bits, like on the outside of the camera areas. So I'm going to do that with Twisted Citron. Then I'll go on with stickers and my sequins. So I'm going to do the stamping bits. Let me get a little block. Oh, here's one. I have a cute little round one. I'm going to get just some tone on tone. I don't even know if it's going to show up, but I like the idea of it being subtle, even though I'm not a subtle stamper. I'm not a subtle scrapper at all, but I like the idea. I like the theory. Okay, I'm going to get some of that on. I'll show you the stamping. Then I'll finish off this layout with sequins and those P13 words. Okay, so I wanted to show you my fun little stamping. So see how it's subtle, but it is showing little leafy bits coming out of these different areas. I also added just a few leaves right in between here where it looked like it needed something. And so it's green on green on green, which I like. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and, and I used just one color. I'm going to go ahead and see what wordy bits work, what sequins I can get on here, and I will have still shots for you guys in just a moment. Oh, and down below, I will have the Not Just for Boys Kit Club website, Facebook group, and blog. Okay, that's all for now, folks. Still shots in just 1 second.